Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're reviewing the TIMFATO Hair Cherry Edition, a stylish and versatile beauty device designed to help you create a variety of hairstyles without needing multiple tools. At first glance, the Cherry Edition immediately stands out thanks to its elegant color and modern design. It looks premium, feels comfortable in the hand, and is built for everyday use. What makes this product especially interesting is its multifunctional approach. Instead of filling your bathroom with separate styling tools, the TIMFATO Hair Styler combines several popular hair care functions into one compact device. Depending on the attachment you choose, you can dry, smooth, curl, shape, and add volume to your hair. The attachment system is easy to use and allows quick transitions between styling modes. Whether you're preparing for work, a special event, or simply refreshing your hairstyle, changing accessories takes only a few seconds. Performance is another strong point. The airflow helps speed up the drying process while supporting styling at the same time. This combination can significantly reduce the amount of time spent getting ready in the morning. For users who enjoy experimenting with different looks, this styler offers flexibility. From sleek straight styles to soft waves and added root volume, it provides multiple possibilities without requiring advanced styling skills. The compact design also makes it travel-friendly. It's easy to store, convenient to carry, and practical for both home and travel use. Overall, the TIMFATO Hair Cherry Edition delivers a combination of style, convenience, and versatility. If you're looking for a modern beauty tool that can handle several styling tasks in one device, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.